Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. Let's find out, where did Essential Graphics go? All right, Adobe embarked on one of the biggest updates ever in Premiere Pro in changing some of the panels. Now, if you paid attention after you updated, you would have seen this. This little dialog box came up and told you that there were some changes. And that change is the new Properties panel. I'm going to have a bigger update on the Properties panel in the future. It is a huge change and a really important change and way more powerful than you think. But right now, I just want to show you the update to Essential Graphics. In the window menu, just like the dialog box said, there is a new Properties panel. And the effects controls are still there, but now there is a Properties panel. And when you have nothing selected, nothing shows up. But when you click on something, you'll see the properties for that. The Properties panel can show you the properties of one, two, or everything that you select. So if you're selecting multiple titles, you could select the whole timeline and change the font very easily. Graphics templates are now in their own area in a different panel. So properties in one, graphics templates in another. And if you're working in a timeline like I'm working in here, I've got a bunch of overlays and I've got a bunch of other graphics. If you add something, like I'm going to add a title right here and click in and add a title. If I don't have anything selected, nothing shows up, but if I select that title, that's where the properties show up. And it's just the same as before. If you're seeing all of the layers of things that are selected that have been drawn. So this is the type, this is the text, I can collapse that, this is the appearance, and this is where I can align that, center that, position it wherever I want. Just like before, now I'm getting my titles. But you know what? This one's kind of boring. I want to show you really quick a film impact effects called Wiggle. And if you don't like what Wiggle did, then you can change it. So here's where I would go from the properties to the effects controls, because when I select that effect, there's nothing in the properties panel. Effects controls are still in the effects controls. So I'm going to tell it to surprise me. Surprise me. So now I've got this going on, but I want a typewriter effect too. Hello, film impact for typewriter. This is a transition, and I drag that on the front. So now I've got this showing up. Boom, just like that. All right. Now, what about Mogarts that you brought in from Motion Array or other companies that were created in After Effects? And this is really an area of confusion for a lot of users. A Mogart is a motion graphics template. They can either be a Premiere Pro Mogart, which I just created right now with that type, or they can be an After Effects comp that you bring in that usually have more controls. And where were the controls? They were in the Essential Graphics panel. Where are they now? In the Properties panel. So let's look at this title at the end. If I click on it and I'm in the graphics templates, nothing shows up for editing. But if I go to Properties, there it is. So just like before, nothing selected. Select the title. Here's where I can choose all of the settings. I can change the color of things, and it's still a complete motion graphics template. Back in the Properties, you'll notice this little 3-dot menu, and this is where you can get to the more advanced controls. And you can also browse the graphics templates. Again, this is where the templates are. So if you want to bring in a template, just like before, you drag it in. And let's drag this to the beginning. And this is a motion graphics template. Go back to Properties, and here's where we can change the text and the colors and all of that. So none of that has changed. All of this is still here. It's still available. The last thing I want to show you in the properties panel is with nothing selected, you can create a new graphic. So if you want to create a shape, and of course you could go down to the shapes here or the type here and create that. So everything is still here. Get used to the properties panel. It's going to be the place where you're going to be doing a lot of work. Adobe has huge plans for the properties panel. I will have a very full in-depth tutorial coming out soon all about the properties panel, but I just wanted to give you a quicker one right now for anybody that can't find where do you edit your titles. Now you know it's in the properties panel and the graphics templates. Hey, if you're new to Video Revealed and you found this informative, take a moment and subscribe. You want to support us more, you can do that on VideoRevealed.com/shop. Donate once or monthly, lots of free stuff for you to download. Thanks to all of our wonderful donors, supporters, everyone that supports us here. Till next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to point out that the dialogue box that you didn't read and you didn't pay attention to told you something important, like the new properties panel.